the relationships you really want, you have to keep one thing in mind. The other side does not think your company is a must-have relationship, okay? As startup founders, all of you think that you're building must-have products and services. We are going to change the world. The world needs what I'm building. Yes, that you should believe that. And we as Surge should believe that. All your partners should believe that. Your co-founders are going to believe that. Your team is going to believe that. That big customer or partner or mentor that you want to try to get, or even that moonshot hire, right? They don't think that yet, right? So you need to demonstrate that you're a must-have, right? You need to demonstrate it because you're not a must-have. I mean, you may be a must-have from a commercial relationship, but they're not really thinking of you as a strategic partner. They're not thinking of you, right? So to go beyond the commercial, by the way, you should be pitching your product, the features, the benefits. But if you want to go beyond the commercial relationships, you need to give and give before you take, right? And the way to find out what to give is to listen and ask the right questions, right? You can't figure out what to give. And by the way, so you have to listen. You have to listen intently. You have to listen for a long period of time and you have to ask the right questions. And once you actually do that, you can figure out what's the best way to help on their most important issues, right? So one of the reasons relationships don't happen is because you're only thinking about what you want out of a relationship. You're not trying to understand what that other person or company's priorities are and what do they want to get out of the relationship, right? Because until you do that, you can't really build a relationship. The other thing that is very, very important is to be honest and be transparent. What happens to a lot of people is, especially when you're trying to do something really important, build a very important relationship, you're not honest, you're not transparent, right? And keep in mind that honesty and transparency actually helps build trust, right? Especially in this kind of business, right? And keep in mind, right? So keep in mind, think about the best friends that you have, the best mentors that you're going to have. Hopefully some of you have some mentors, right? They're always going to tell you the way it is. They're not going to sugarcoat this thing. Now, by the way, they're going to say it in an appropriate way.